another episode of 3D Printed. In this episode of 3D Printed, we went back to the lithophane of my brother's dog Lana, and we decided we'd make a nightlight out of it, and it's pretty cool. You can see it right here. All we had to do was go to the hardware store, buy a cheap nightlight. It was about $2.99, and then we took it apart. I had to design and 3D print a clip, which is what you see here on the screen, and I did that in SketchUp. Okay, so here I am drafting it out in SketchUp. First I use the tape measure tool to measure it out, then I used the pencil tool, and then I extruded it a bit. I made this trough for the lithophane to sit in. I used calipers to measure that distance and width for it to sit in there, which then I'll glue. Here I am in matter control. I exported it into that and then onto an SD card to the 3D printer. And now we see it 3D printing on a time lapse that we produced. The 3D print took only about 7 minutes and it was successful the first go, which always feels good in 3D printing. And now we can see the trough starting to come in. And it finished. Success. And we attached it to the piece we bought from the hardware store. Check it out. Here's the nightlight that we printed. It's very simple. I have gaff tape over the little solar panel so that it can be shown. All it does is slides off the little groove that the manufacturer had designed. So basically what you do is you buy one of these guys, you get rid of the factory reflector, and you make your own out of a family photo. Slides right on like that. And plugs right in. Pretty cool, huh? Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell if you want to be notified of any future videos that we're going to post. And also, my new Instagram account is 3D Printed Dude. So keep an eye out for that, and if you'd like, follow me.